Let's start.
Hello everyone, I am Sagar Patel and my other team members are Hira Raza, Priyanka Prakash Babu, Fangui Wu, Pratik Nayan and Nikita Patil. We will be presenting on a product called Hello Doorbell. This product is owned by the company Ring and comes with the name Ring Video Doorbell. Ring is a company with a mission to create products that will help people protect their homes and neighborhoods. We will launch this product in India with the name Hello Doorbell and with the tagline Aapka Rakshak. Now the tagline is in Hindi, which translates to Your Protector in English. We have made this tagline in Hindi to reach out the regional target audience, and we'll discuss this later on in the upcoming slides. Next slide. So let us have an overview of the product. Hello Doorbell is a type of smart doorbell. A smart doorbell is nothing but an improvised version of day-to-day audio doorbells. Hello Doorbell lets a user see, hear, and speak to visitors in real time from anywhere. It has an attached camera which can record or live stream the actions that are happening in front of it. It is connected near the front door of the home, which is generally the place that needs most security. Few of the best features of this doorbell are: number 1, we can monitor our property in HD video and check on our home at any time with on-demand video and audio. Number 2, security alerts. Alerts are delivered at phone, tablet and PC whenever anyone presses the doorbell or triggers the built-in motion sensors. Number 3, detect motion. When people visit our property, we can come to know about that by the motion sensors of this doorbell. Now, next slide please. Few of the best uses of Ring doorbell includes: number 1, security. To reduce the chances of a crime, theft, burglary, this device is quite reliable. The hidden camera installed in the doorbell isn't that visible, so that would be a definite miss by any robber who isn't aware of new security technologies. If we think that some zone at the front door of our house is more vulnerable, then we can add more security at that place by marking that distance in the motion sensing zone. So any activity in that part can be detected. Number 2, answering people remotely. At times when we are not at home and suppose any of our family member or friends visit our house, then we can answer them remotely. This feature of easy communication is also helpful to give a reply to the package delivery man. Number 3, keeping an eye on kids and pets. When they are playing outside or in the front yard portion of our house, we can stay rest assured that they are safe. As we have already become familiar with this product, let us dive furthermore for the problem statement. One of the best purpose that Hello Doorbell solves is to reduce the chances of theft and robberies, as already mentioned earlier. Keeping that point in mind and to help people overcome the problems they are facing, we are going further with marketing this product. We are selecting the territory of Delhi for launching this product in India. One of the reasons being the crime rate in Delhi was around 1200 cases per 100,000 people, which is nearly 4 times more than any other metropolitan cities of India. So rising crimes leads to rise in security. Now my colleague Hira will take the presentation further to talk about potential customers of our product.
Thank you, Sagar. There is a wide range of potential customers based on our product. We are launching our product in Delhi, and their population is rapidly growing every year, which means that their family dynamic and number of household is also growing. So we're going to focus on the residential areas, and some of the residential areas that we want to focus on are the middle to upper class areas that can afford our product. Some of the areas that we're looking at Greater Kalash, South Extension, Defense Colony are some examples. Also touching on the fact that Sagar said parents want to make sure that their kids and their pets are safe. And this is a product that parents who are at work while their children are at home with their nannies can feel safer knowing who comes in and outside of the house based on the Hello doorbell. Next slide. With anything, there is going to be competition. India does have access to other video doorbells. One of the other video doorbells that is out there right now is the Godrej Solis ST7 Lite video door phone, which lets you know who's there at the door without having to open it. It can connect to up to 2 outdoor units, and it also supports 1-channel output relay to open the slide gate. This is something meaning that they can unlock the door without attending it. And there is water and dust resistance, which can be a threat because our product does not unlock the door without attending it. Another product that can be competition that's offered in India is the Panasonic video door phone, which can connect up to 4 wireless monitors, and you can do intercom calls between them, meaning that there's a both-way video call. It supports night vision and voice changer. It can be recorded up to maximum 50 events or 400 images. These products are already launched in India and can be a potential threat. Next slide. Some assumptions from our company is an established company. It was founded in 2012. The sales are rapidly growing ever since then, and a part of that is because the doorbell has not changed since it was invented in 1880 until recently in the last 8 years. So this advanced technology is very interesting to all the customers because this should be an advanced technology that everybody should use. Some of the assumptions for this doorbell that some people don't want to buy is basically they feel like they have no privacy. They feel like there's going to be surveillance concerns and there's a threat to civil liberties based on there is an assumption that the police is also using to tap these Ring doorbells, or they feel like anybody can tap into through the Wi-Fi. And that's the major concerns for potential customers. And now I'll be handing it down to Priyanka for our segmentation.
Thank you, Hira. Thank you, Hira. Thank you, Hira. Hello, everyone. So I will be dealing with the market segmentation. Market segmentation is becoming an increasingly important issue in market research and business intelligence. In market, companies identify and pinpoint the market into groups of potential customers with similar motivations and characteristics. By segmenting out certain markets, it makes marketing in this growing economy far more productive and profitable. For our product, we are considering the following segments. The first one, geographic segmentation. So we will be segmenting regions based on the crime rates in different states and also the population density. Second one, demographic segmentation. For this, we will be considering different incomes of families and different types of residents. The third one, psychographic segmentation. So we will be conducting interviewing working parents on the need for security for their children. We will be conducting surveys. Surveys will be conducted to understand which region or state has the highest crime rate, and also collecting customer data to know which is the most bought item in Delhi and decide on the category of the product, whether it's an electronic household appliance or an electronic item. So based on a survey, the electronic items and household appliances are in top 20 most bought product categories. The last one is the behavioral segmentation. Based on what customers need, like be it the good sound system, high resolution camera, ease of installation, basically the different benefits sought out by the customer and the usage level of the product, we will be segmenting. Next slide, please. Let's now talk about the market targeting. Market targeting is required to evaluate the potential and commercial attractiveness of each segment. For selecting this target market, we have to consider different factors like the criteria size, how large the market is, does it justify segmenting, have we ensured measurable differences between these segments? The next factor is money. Anticipated profits must definitely exceed the cost of additional marketing plans and other changes, and how easily each segment is accessible to our team, and if the segment is able to receive our marketing messages. So based on these factors, we have targeted Delhi, which is the most populated state and has the highest crime rate of 67.87. In Delhi, we will also be concentrating on more densely populated cities like New Delhi, Kairari Sulaiman Nagar, Karaval Nagar, Sultan, and etc. The next one is the upper middle class and the upper class elite families. Since this product is little on a higher end, we will be marketing into the upper class families, families who need security, those who are working parents who need to keep a track on their kids, and aged people back home. Parents can walk home immediately if they notice any suspicious activity going around while the kids are at home. The last one is the gadget lovers. Since this product is an app-based home appliance which is driven by smart technology, the gadget tech-savvy people will definitely like this product. Next slide, please. Next one is positioning. Positioning the product as Hello Doorbell as a smart device overcoming the traditional way of answering the doorbell. Second one, we are positioning it as a secure board guard appliance. Third, as a neighborhood watch. It will alert neighbors about any suspicious activity. There will be a feature provided in the app where all the recorded videos will be available, and each of the member of the house can upload their recorded videos and they can record any suspicious activity going around the neighborhood. It's an easy to install device and use the application. We also provide live recording, but also as well provide recorded videos which can be accessed at any point of time using a micro SD card or a recording in cloud. And finally, it's easy to maintain. Thank you. Next, I'll be handing over to Feng Guai.
Thank you, Priyanka. So before the product enters Delhi market, we want to determine the product price. The price of the most popular Ring video bell is about $100 in US. And the US household income is about $60,000. We use this tool to get the price income rate, which is 0.1658%. Delhi household income is about 731,000 rupees. And then Delhi household income times price income rate, we get the unit price in Delhi, which is about 1,200 rupees. Next slide, please. We want to know how big the potential market is. Since the price is calculated based on the median household income, we assume half of the families are our target consumers. So the number of households in Delhi, which is 4,205,000 divided 2, and then times the price in Delhi, we get the potential market value, which is about $33 million. Next slide, please. So we got price and how big the market might be. Next, we want to determine how much it can be sold every year. We got the basic information online. The number of households in US is 128 million. Annual sales volume in US is 591,000 units. And the number of households in Delhi is about 4 million. Let the annual sales volume in US divide the number of households in US and then times number of households in Delhi times price in Delhi, we get the annual sales. It's about 24 million rupees. Next slide, please. For the profit, Since the company grew up very rapidly, we assume the profit rate is 10%. Then the profit will be about 2 million rupees. Next, my teammate Pratik will introduce more about the market.
Thank you. So from now, we'll be talking about the marketing plan. So this product in the United States is known as Doorbot. Since the product is going to be marketed in India, just to add a regional touch, we have renamed the product as Hello Doorbell. Some features of the products are: number one, smart security. Inbuilt sensors in smart doorbell gives alerts on your phone whenever anyone is near to your door or if there is any suspicious activity near your door. Second, video recording on recording mode when not in home via micro SD card or recording in the cloud storage. Third, monitor your home remotely with 720 pixel HD resolution camera with wide angle lens. We can view the clear picture of our front door on demand whenever we want. Fourth, two-way audio. So you can see, hear, and talk to visitors through built-in two-way audio enhanced microphone and speaker. Next, night vision. Monitor your home at night with good visibility provided by infrared LEDs. Next, easy to maintain with removable battery pack. So you can just, if the battery runs out, you just have to quick release the battery pack and you are ready to go. Next key feature is the violent demolition alarm. Even if the best device is placed to add protection, thieves always find a way out. Most of the time, they think to steal the device itself. To overcome this problem, the allowed alarm will start to beep if the doorbell is illegally assembled. Next, Wi-Fi connection. In addition to smartphones or tablets, the main monitor can also be wirelessly connected to the Wi-Fi router for easy connections without a cable. Up to 4 devices can be connected as of now. Next key feature is the email notification. The device will be able to send emails with a tiny image of the visitor to email addresses registered in advance, which enables the user to check who has visited when you were outside the home. Next marketing plan is for the packaging. So we have decided that the box itself will act as an instructional guide for installation. So it will be divided into separate parts, separate units, like we can see in the picture number one and number two. So this will make the user understand which part has to be assembled first and then the other part. So the number of sub boxes will only indicate and guide the customer step by step on installation. Moreover, app installation guide will also be available inside the box, which will assist the user in installing the app. So now we'll be talking about the promotion. So this product is for Indian customers and is particularly concentrating for Delhi population who speaks Hindi. So just to add a personal message or a personal touch, we have added a tagline which will be "Hello Doorbell, Aapka Rakshak," which means your protector. And for the promotions, we'll be using the push and pull strategy. And as a part of push strategy, we'll be sending out flyers, brochures to every doorstep to mark our presence so that the audience is aware about our product. And as a part of pull strategy, we'll be promoting our products on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And apart from that, we are planning to make aware our audience through YouTube video ads and Google ads, which will attract more number of customers. And apart from that, just for the ease of the customers, we are planning to post some installation videos which will be on the YouTube. And apart from that, as a promotion event, will be for the first 3 months, all the products will be delivered without any additional charges. After that, let's talk about some distribution. So, yeah, we are not going to do the distribution like shown in the picture. So what we'll be doing is, first, we are planning to have a regional rollout. We are going to target Delhi for that. For 3 months, the device will be sold in tech stores like the Reliance Digital Trends, Chroma, and Hometown. After that, we'll take the feedbacks from the customer, fix our issues, and then we'll go for the national rollout. And the national rollout will be on the e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, which will allow the user to buy the product online. After that, the product will also be available in the offline at the retail electronic stores as well. And since the app is supported by iOS and Android, it will be made available by in the Google Play stores and Apple stores. And apart from that, we're going to have our own website from which the customers can order the website and get some additional advantage. Now I'll hand over to Nikita for the pricing plans. Thank you.
Thank you, Prateek. So for our pricing plans, we have come up with two pricing models for our product, the basic version and the pro version. The basic version offers only a video doorbell at a cost of 1211.76 INR. With the pro version, the customers will be able to get a recording of 24 hours of triggered activity with an additional cost of rupees 500 per month. Next slide, please. We are also providing few options like flexible EMI and also 1 month free trial period of our pro version. Next slide, please. Our marketing cost estimate comes up to around 9,45,400 rupees. You can refer to the table for the split up. Next slide, please. For a regional rollout, we are planning to launch our product in Delhi. For the first 3 months, we are planning to offer free delivery. We are also planning to take a feedback survey from customers and resolve issues if there are any during this period. Next slide, please. Looking at the rate at which India's video surveillance market is projected to grow, in the upcoming years, we plan to partner with any of the leading e-commerce websites like eBay, Flipkart for our national rollout. We also have an option of pre-ordering the product before the official rollout. Next slide, please. The last variable we will be addressing here is the potential threat and weaknesses. Some of them are as follows. If a big company copies our product, we will be securing our product by having patents for our design and technology, by offering superior features, by building brand loyalty and trust, and by offering competitive prices. The product might be too expensive for middle class population. Also, we may face threats from the rise in security camera market. We have no features like unlocking our door by phone or by tablet. In case of a poor internet connection, it will degrade the camera resolution. Next slide, please. So that was the end of it. Thank you.